Never had one of these before. It's a Vizzy. It's not very good. For you OG subscribers, this is my e92 335i. I've owned it for a really long time. The original plan was to take the N54 out and put it in the E36. I decided that was way too much work. The car was wrecked and had a bunch of hail damage, so I had that fixed and painted. The paint's okay. Anyway, about a year ago, a little over a year ago now, we did this and never finished it. Downpipe never got finished fabbing up. The hob switch for the second fuel pump never got done. It just never got done. It runs, it just, obviously you can't drive it like that. So I decided, since it blew up the E36, which, surprise, come here real quick. I already have another B28 to go back in it. So we just need to rip the head off, put head studs in it, get a good head gasket. I'll probably get it decked, and hopefully real quick we'll be right back on our way. So I'm not an expert on these cars. I don't really understand how they work. This is more like Zach's kind of thing. And John V. Hill at VI Engineered. This is actually his kit that's on there. I didn't buy it from him, I bought it secondhand. So between Zach and John, they're gonna finish up the turbo side and the tuning and the injectors and oil coolers, and it's gonna have really cool exhaust. So that's happening. But things I can do, I can put suspension and I can put wheels and tires on any car. So that's what we're gonna try and get knocked out today. So stay tuned. What we have for this car is a set of BCs. I'm pretty sure they're extreme lows. They're brand new. I bought these a couple years ago. Some lady had them listed on Marketplace as 5 series coilovers. No other description, no anything. But I saw this one, that label was in one of the stickers. So I searched it and then I called BC and I wanted to make sure it wasn't for an all-wheel drive car because mine's a rear-wheel drive. And he's like, oh yeah, dude, they're with that one, they're all the same. And so I got coilovers for like 300 bucks. They're brand new. So throwing them on.
Stonk fine.
And they're the good set. We got fronts, rears, and it was complete. So we got the adjustable end links for the front. Springs are still packed up. We got the adjusters. Like it really was a complete set, like brand new. So I'm pretty stoked on it.
Well, let's get it on, baby.
Let's do it. So coilovers are on, and we got some wheels on too. So these are style 231s. They're off of a 2008 750iL, I think, or 750i. Either E65 or E66. They're 19s, 19 by 10, 19 by 9, plus 24 on both sides. So a cool wheel. Kind of like everybody gets the style 95s off of the E65s. But those are heavy and a more aggressive offset. These fit great here. Well, we'll see how they fit.
Yeah, we don't know how they sit on the ground with the coilovers yet.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Wow, we
did really well.
You did really well. That's great.
Yeah. Oh, is it still on the lift? It's still on the lift.
Ah, we're low boys.
It might be lower than that. We might need to do some raising.
Hey, that still is not bad. And for a first try.
I feel like that's a little low.
You're gonna rub for sure.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna give her a little camber and a little bit of height.
I like it.
So real quick.
Okay, let's see what we got.
I appreciate it. I'm sorry I didn't see your text sooner. I would think for a day when you get here. I didn't see you.
You're still in the car.
I
It's like on the car.
I think so, on this arm. Like your arms.
It's got very similar fitment to the e63 now. Like the front, like pretty low, and then the back up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Difference is this car is gonna actually make a little bit of power.
And this one doesn't have Megan Racing coilovers.
That doesn't either.
Oh, sorry. Those has max speeding rods.
Max speeding rods. They still ride good, dude. Duh. And girl.
And lady.
Yeah, lady. But so that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow when we drop his car off at John's.
Oh, looks like there's an e92 on the trailer.
E92 on trailer.
So, heading to John's.
Next stop, B Hills.
Back up just a hair.
Already losing parts. Breaking fenders. N5Xing it up.
Little boo-boo.
Oops.
Yeah, little boo-boo.
So, you know a lot about these cars. I don't know anything about these cars.
I know a couple things about him.
Because there's no downpipe.
Got no
It's in the trunk. And it's your downpipe.
Yeah, so it's the one that comes down and just exits the firewall pretty much.
And so we welded a flex pipe onto the end of it, and or it had a flex pipe, and maybe that got extended. I don't know. It's just modified, and now it's too long to fit
Okay.
the exhaust under it. But
Okay.
I started looking at this, like, there's not a fucking coupler on anything.
No couplers, clamps, or anything. Okay.
It's like it's almost done.
Well,
Like I don't think there's any coolant in it.
Got no coupler here, no clamp here.
Yeah, I don't think there's a single clamp on anything on the charge piping.
Okay.
And then, yeah, this kind of
Brackets.
shit I'm not super worried about. Like,
Well, we'll get it completely installed. So we'll probably clip it off here, redo this, and we'll thermal wrap it too.
yeah, it was thermal wrap. Somebody took that off of it. I don't really know why.
I see this. So there's a lot of things that need to be redone.
You have me get new plugs? I don't think they're in it.
So, how much power are you trying to make on this thing?
Like whatever Luis made, it was like 640 or 650 or something.
Yeah, we'll need a 3.5 bar map. I can get one for you. We'll get that squared away.
Okay.
So you'll need a 3.5 bar.
Or do I have that already?
You what?
Because I have everything that was on Luis's car. I have.
Let's see. No, that's a stock T map.
Huh.
So yeah, we'll get everything squared away. I'll figure out what all this thing needs to run proper.
Cool. So we're at John's, and BI engineer just dropping the car off. He's going to just pretty much figure out everything that's not done on it and finish it and make it look better and things. So yeah, I feel like he kind of like doesn't want to put his name on it if it's a piece of shit, and I can respect that. So yeah,
What are your goals, aspirations, dreams?
it'd be cool if it made like 650 horsepower and was somewhat reliable and did cool stuff. So it's here. I ripped the bumper off, taking it off the trailer. So go me.
Tell me.
But it's just a little more N5X-y, you know.
Exactly, you're fitting into the culture already.
The culture, you gotta fucked up shit.
Yeah. Where's your hoopty? Here it is.
Yeah.
It's cool. I'm excited to see what this looks like. It's supposed to be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it'll do good. The headlight washer thing like came out.
Well, cool. We'll see this car when we see it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.